Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to Anna's Simple English Life. It feels so lovely to have you here with me today. If you enjoy learning English through real daily life, and you like cozy, quiet moments like this, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Today, I'm wrapping Christmas gifts at home. The house is quiet, a soft blanket is on my chair, and the Christmas tree lights are twinkling. It's my favorite kind of afternoon. Let's learn some easy and natural English together while we make these presents look beautiful. I am so happy to share this peaceful time with you. I start by preparing my gifts. I have a small collection of things I bought for my family and friends. I place them on the table, one by one. Taking my time to look at each one brings back happy memories. Some gifts are small, like this little box of chocolates for my neighbor, and some are bigger, like this warm, woolly scarf I chose for my sister. I imagine her face when she opens it, and it makes me smile. Having all the gifts here, ready to be wrapped, feels like the beginning of a special holiday ritual. It's a moment of quiet preparation before the giving begins. Now, I choose the wrapping paper. This is one of my favorite parts. I have a few different rolls of paper this year. I unroll them gently to see the patterns. This paper is red and green, with tiny little stars and snowflakes on it. It feels very festive and warm. The colors remind me of holly berries and evergreen trees. Another one has cute little gingerbread men on it, which I think is very sweet and cheerful. For the scarf, I will use this classic red and green paper. It feels traditional and full of Christmas spirit. The paper is smooth and a little bit shiny. Just looking at it makes me feel the magic of the season. I carefully place the gift, the scarf, in the middle of the paper. I unroll just enough paper to cover the box completely. I want to be careful not to waste any. Then, I fold the paper slowly, bringing one side over to meet the other. I run my finger along the edge to make a neat crease. I try to make the edges neat and clean. A tidy fold makes the gift look so much nicer, I think. It shows that you took your time and put care into it. I fold the ends in, creating little triangles, and then fold them up against the box. It's a quiet, focused process. Each fold is a small, satisfying step. Next, I use tape to hold the paper in place. I take a small piece of clear tape from the dispenser. I like to use tape that is almost invisible, so it doesn't distract from the beautiful paper. I press it gently so it stays closed. I use one piece in the middle, and then one piece on each of the folded ends. I smooth the tape down with my fingertip to make sure it is secure. The gift is now wrapped in its festive paper, looking like a little secret waiting to be discovered. It's simple, but it already looks so much more special. Now, I add a ribbon. The ribbon makes the gift look beautiful and complete. I have a spool of golden ribbon that shimmers in the light. I think it will look lovely against the red and green paper. I unroll a long piece, enough to wrap around the box and tie a bow. I wrap it around the width of the gift, and then around the length, crossing it in the middle. I tie a simple bow on top. Tying a bow can be a little tricky, but I go slowly. I make one loop, then another, and pull the knot tight. I adjust the loops to make them even and fluffy. There, it looks perfect. The golden bow is like the final, happy touch. Wrapping gifts makes me feel calm and happy. I enjoy doing this quietly at home, with a cup of warm tea beside me. The repetitive motions of folding, taping, and tying are very soothing. It's a chance to slow down during a busy time of year. It helps me relax and enjoy the Christmas season. It's not just about making the presents look nice. It's about the feeling behind it. Each gift I wrap is a little package of love and thought for someone I care about. This quiet activity connects me to the true spirit of giving. It's a mindful and peaceful moment that I treasure. Here are some useful English phrases from today's video. You can practice them with me. I am wrapping a gift. This is what I am doing right now. I choose the wrapping paper. This is the first step, picking the paper you like. I tie a ribbon. This is the final touch to make the gift pretty. Let's say them one more time. I am wrapping a gift. I choose the wrapping paper. I tie a ribbon. I hope these simple sentences are helpful for you. Thank you for wrapping gifts with me today. I truly enjoyed your company. It felt like we were sitting here together, sharing this cozy afternoon. If you enjoyed this video and our quiet time, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love reading your comments and hearing from you. I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful day. See you in the next video. Bye.